With a powder, the basic best practice that one can ask for is you want to introduce your dispersant intimately to your powdered sample. And so what you do is you start with whatever sample size you need to present to your analyzer, and in the cases of a submicron analyzer, it could literally be just a small, tiny spatula of material, or with a large sample capability of, say, an LS particle analyzer, you might be able to take a liter of material. So depending upon what you're starting with, you want to introduce the surfactant directly to the powder when possible, and you physically would spatulate it, you would mix it, and get it to coat intimately with the powder, and then dilute that up into a liquid to introduce it into your analyzer. And that's been shown to be very effective, as opposed to, for example, if you take a material and take a powder, let's say talc for example, and you were to drop that into just water, it doesn't really like water. It's what we call hydrophobic. It doesn't like water. It'll tend to float on the surface, A, because it's light, and B, because it's generally not that happy in just a water solution. And there, what you would try to do is, if you did this and you add your powder directly to a material and has these properties of hydrophobic interaction, it'll be difficult and much more of a messy operation to add dispersant to it, as opposed to starting out with that same powder, put the dispersant in direct contact with it, then dilute it up, and then add it to your sample.